the captain, look. It's just laying up a thing. I would have thought it'd be that way. Good morning. Come on, Ted. I better take your lead. Good morning, everyone. It's an early one, but me and Ted have decided to go for a walk. When we get back, we're going to get the barbie going, cook a nice bit of beach breakfast. I'm going to have a bacon and egg sandwich. I'm looking forward to that. I could put that as a thumbnail, couldn't I? Ted's just weed up a boy. Hey? Yeah. I've already said morning.
I know,
it's morning for Sarah. She's only just woke up.
I didn't. I woke about half an hour ago.
Yeah. We've decided to. Morning, mate.
Morning.
We're going for a walk up the sand dunes before breakfast now. I didn't get very far on the beach because Sarah ended up calling me, notifying me that she was now awake. And it was a bit like the scene in Baywatch. Out of breath now after that hill climb. It wasn't quite like that, obviously. It was more like a gentle walk. So as you can see, just over the sand dunes, you've got a haven site. We're going to have another little walk on there. And I believe there is a chip shop on here, a bar, some kind of restaurant, a shop, a bit of arcades for the children, and so on.
So we're going to go back onto the beach. I think we're going to take a little walk on the beach, aren't we? Or we're going to get the barbie on before it rains. So it looks like.
It says rain at 2 o'clock.
Well, I've got rain this morning and this afternoon.
Noisy buggers. I think we got the right way, haven't we?
Yeah, we went over the bridge, didn't we?
Yeah, I don't know what we're doing today. I don't know whether we're getting the skis out, whether we go moving location, whether we're going home. I don't know. The whole thing is up in the air at the minute, depending on the weather.
It's not planned, is it?
No. That's the way we like it, though.
Welcome to Porthmadog. So I've just seen this sign and it's given us a bit of information about a weaver fish. Apparently it lives just beneath the sand in shallow, warm coastal waters, and it's got a row of poisonous spines along its back, and it can deliver a painful sting. Ooh. Should you be unfortunate to be stung, it is suggested that you place the infected area in hot water as soon as possible. That's what it looks like. Doesn't look very happy, does it?
Oh, that one doesn't. I think he's dead.
Greg, can you come here, please? So if you don't already know, Greg caught his hand in the slidey door here. Let's have a little look.
It's not too bad this morning.
Turn it round. Yeah,
Swelling's gone down.
bit blue.
Bit discoloured. Luckily it's not dismembered. Like mad, you know, I'll put the old sob story on for another day or two, and that's about all I'll get out of it, really.
It's a nice little spot that we found. I don't know what it's called, but it's a lovely little spot.
So we've just stopped off a little place. I think Sarah's just already told you. Lovely little place. Look at the mountains up there. I'll check the skis again, check the straps are tight, which I do every time we pull over. Yeah? They probably swim in there, don't they?
Yeah, you'd have to unhook it, wouldn't you? It's pretty grind.
I'll probably do that.
You do that?
Yeah?
Okay, I'll let you do that then. I'll unhook mine.
Well, I might not now I've said that, but yeah. I reckon if I'll just jack it right round if you go first. Ah, Ben just got down there. You watch me go straight on me. You know what? Oh, jeez, that's clear, isn't it? That must be like fresh water off the mountains. You can hire boats over there as well. We've just come down that road from all the way over there, look. Now up there is the mountain railway that I'm hoping we're going to see this in a minute. And that takes you all, I wouldn't really want to be on the train as it goes through the mountains, to be honest, because I've seen some of the photos. But that takes you all the way around, so there's some beautiful sights if you don't mind, if you're not afraid of heights. He's doing a blind Ben takeover, look. Oh dear, man. Lovely farms though, aren't there? I wouldn't want to be too far out of the way though. If like, I don't want to be like an hour to a shop.
You like to be 5 minutes from the nightlife, don't you?
5 minutes from the strip club. No more than 10 minutes from the casino. And that's it then, I'm happy, it's all I need, and a Londis to get me milk for me tea.
You'll arrive at your destination.
Oh, here he is.
Here's the captain, look.
Can we park here?
No, I don't think you lot will fit, you know. There's no spaces for big ones.
Oh.
We're coming to look at the waterfalls if we can get a parking space, but it doesn't look like we're going to get a space by the sounds of it.
Kim in the van? Kim's over there in the van, waving.
But there's no parking. We can't get the skis in at the same time. Yeah, there's nothing to... We can't get the skis in to park up. The car park is absolutely rammed. Look. What we've had to do is park the vans there in a spot and then put the skis over here and chain them up because the car park's not big enough for them all. So we chain these up over here on a bike rack, unfortunately, but I mean there's nobody here, so it's one of them. Hopefully they're there when we get back. Now that there, I think, is the train bridge I was talking about for the mountain railway.
Mountain warehouse.
Yeah. I think this goes up quite a way, you know. So as you can see here, this is the first waterfall of quite a few, and this goes, as the higher the mountain gets up, the more the waterfalls there is. Does that make sense? Does that make sense? And also there's a cave over the other side, which is cleverly demonstrated by my assistant, because we're working on wireless mics at the minute. I'm not actually standing by her. But yeah, it's beautiful, isn't it? And move on and have another look at another one. It's just laying up a thing. I would have thought it'd be that way. Yeah. Someone's moved that to trick us.
It's definitely that way, sorry.
Did you not have it rolling?
No, I was just about to put it on.
Oh.
What?
Replay.
What happened?
Man slipped.
Come.
Are we live? I'm gonna try and slip again, alright? Bloody hell, it's steep.
Wasted money on cures. Forgot how to fix myself. They say that time is free. Then why is it so precious? Oh, I'll save memories in my head, like Polaroids on
Just a little shelter that is, with a little bench in where you can just have a rest on the way up. Keep out the dry if it's raining. Oh, there's another one here with slate. Have a look at this one. This one looks small, doesn't it? What's the idea of that?
Banda.
That's a shame. Someone's just been using it to fill it up with rubbish.
On Ted.
Ted will have a drink. He loves running water.
Yeah.
Oh, fresh mountain water. I've already nearly stacked it once. Oh, twice.
Stay on the rock, come on. No,
What happened there?
Oh,
Whee! Yeah, a bog in Wales isn't the same as a bog in Birmingham, by the way. Great spot here just to have a little bit of a picnic. We're not at the top yet, but it's beautiful up here. I'd say by the time this water gets down to the bottom, it's probably clean enough to drink. Let's have a little look.
come on.
No, you're going to get wet in there.
What's it when you're moving in?
That's just full of water.
Got your piggy bank drink.
Oh, it's a penny. Ben,
got a penny.
some pennies.
Look at that.
There's been a few people up here. Bet there's a few quid there actually. Might try and get that stump out. What's in there? Water again? Oh, well. That could have been getting the slate out in the old carts, hasn't it? No, she's getting steep now. So that's it, we've come to the top, or near to the top. As far as they'll let us go. Right, we've had our rest. We're going to head back down to the van. Oh, I'm sweating. It's a good hike, that is. And I should have put my walking boots on. Don't know why I never, well, I know why I never, because I couldn't find them because they're buried in the back of all the rubbish in the van. Here comes the mountain train, I believe. Someone waving out of first class. You can get an ice cream here as well if you come down. There's a little cafe when you get back and you can get a nice little treat.
That was an eventful and tiring weekend.
Don't forget to subscribe because we've nearly got 1,000 subscribers. So if you haven't already, click subscribe. I'll wipe the dinner off my mouth. I'll save that till later.
It's sesame seed.
Yeah.
Ted's absolutely shattered. But yeah, it was a good one.